Welcome my learners to today's activity. We will be adding 3 to 4 digits, figures, and numbers. Let's look at some few examples. If you are given work like this, for example, 2,173 to be added to 4,502. I told you that you label your figures in what places, you write the places on top. These are what ones, tens, hundreds, and what thousand, to help you identify the places of these values. All right, so let's add. 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 7 plus 0 is what? 7. You write your 7 nicely. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. And 2 plus 4 is what? 6. When you finish, make sure you read these figures again. 1, 2, 3. You bring your comma. You read 6,675. Now let's look at example 2. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You bring your comma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your comma to help you read the figures well. And the places of these values too, you have to indicate them. These are ones column, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's continue. 8 plus 5 is what? 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. You quickly write your 13 somewhere. You write your first digit here. Then you carry this one, you bring it to the tens column, you write it small on top of the 4. Like this. So when you are adding, you start from this one, the small one here. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Then you write your 12 somewhere. The first one, you write it here. 2. You carry the 1 here, you bring it on top, you put it on top of 3. All right. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 10 is 4 plus 6 is what? 10. This is our 10. The first number, you write it 0. Carry the 1, you put it on top of 5. All right. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. Okay. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Then you read these figures to your parents. 1, 2, 3, comma. This is 9,023. Let's move on to example 3. Example 3. Kindly look 1, 2, 3. Bring your comments, your comments, your comments. All right. Indicate your places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. All right. So this tells you that all these figures here are ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and thousand columns. Let's add. This is how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 each. You have to add 4 different digits 3 times. Okay. 8 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Quickly write your 20 somewhere. Write the first one down. Carry the second one, write it on top like this. 2. Can you see? Now, this 2 here plus 7. 2 plus 7 is what? 9. 9 plus 6 is what? 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. You write your 20 here. You write the first one, you carry the third, you write it on top. 2 plus 6 is what? 2 plus 6 is what? 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. Hey. Alright, you write your 20 here. I told you earlier on the 2 digits, you write the first one here, so you carry the second one, you put it on top of the next. Yeah. We are writing it small because it is not part of the original figures given to us. That is why we are writing it small. Another reason is that we will not forget about this 2, that we are carrying a figure to this area. So 2 plus 4 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Then you write 1, 2, 3. Then you bring your comma. Alright, let's move to example 4. I told you earlier on that this type is the short form. This is the long form. But there's no way it will be very difficult for you to add figures like this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3,567 and this is 1,894. So if you are given something in this form, quickly rewrite everything. This is what? 3,567 plus 1,894 in this form. Then you add. It will be simpler than you adding it what? Horizontally. Now let's quickly add these values. I told you you have to indicate something here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. You do that nicely. Alright, so 7 plus 4 is what? 11. Write your 11. Write the first one. 1. Then you carry the second one, you put it on top of this. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is what? 7 plus 9 is 16. 16. So you write the first one. 6. Carry the 1, you put it on top of 5. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus 8 is 14. You write your 14. Don't forget we are writing the first one. So 4. Carry 1. The one you put it on top of this. Now 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Quickly write your 5. When you are done, don't forget your commas must come 1, 2, 3. Every 3 digits 1, 2, 3. You bring your comma. 1, 2, 3. You bring your comma. All right. Make sure you read these figures here to your parents. Let's continue to question 5. I told you it will be very difficult for you to add figures in this form, so you have to rewrite this. By rewriting, you have to write it vertically. 6,200 and what? 30. 6,230 plus what? 2,470 what? 6. Addition. Bring your commas. Bring your commas. All right. Do this work. Let me see. Quickly do that. Okay, let's continue. Indicate your places. 0, tens, hundreds, and what? Thousands. All right. 0 plus what? 6. 0 plus 6. 6. 3 plus what? 7 is what? 10. I told you write 10 like this. You write the first one here. The first one, write the first one down. You carry the second one to the next stage. You you write it on top. Small. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 4 is what? 7. You write your 7 down. Write your 7. If there is nothing to carry or to move to the next stage, you write all down. Now 6 plus 2 is what? 8. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Count 1, 2, 3. Every 3 digits you bring your comments. Then you check your answers. You read them to your parents as well. Now it's not only 2 digits like this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So let's quickly rewrite them. This is 2, 7, 5, 8. And this is 1, 2, 3. So 4, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3. And this is 3, 4, 5. We are asked to add these figures. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Let's quickly do this simple addition. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. Your 15 here. You write your 5. Carry 1. You put it, write it on top. Now, 1 plus 5 is what? 1 plus 5 is what? 6. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. 12 plus 4. That is what? 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. So you write the first one as I've written here. You carry 1 to this place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus what? 3 is what? 17. You write your 17 here. You write the first one. Right? So 17. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So alright, now we've come to the end of. Let's quickly go back to this side. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 plus what? 5 is 15. You write your 15 here. You write the first one, which is this one. Then you carry the one here. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. 6 plus what? 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. You write it somewhere. Then you write the first one. So let's write the first one. Alright, carry the one here. You bring it. 1 plus 7 is what? 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 12 plus 3 is what? 1 plus 7 is what? 8. 8 plus what? 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 15. So this is 15. You write the first one, which is 5. Carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. You write your 3 because there is none to carry. Then you quickly count 1, 2, 3. Bring your comma. Now read the answer to your parent. This reads as 3,565. 3,565. Alright, don't forget we are learning to, or we learned to add 3 to 4 digits in numbers. We learn to add 3 to 4 digits. Till we meet again, keep reading your notes. I say, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.